Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jason. In today's video, we're going to unbox the Superbox Elite Ultra. And this was sent to me by Golden Deals. And everything in this bag comes all included. So let's get to it. So let's see what comes in the bag. So once again, this is from Golden Deals USA. Just a step-by-step guide. Comes with a 8K HDMI, 1.5 meters. They also send you the Wi-Fi adapter. If you got weak signal or you can't get a hardwire to this is great. Just plug it locally and it'll boost up your Wi-Fi signal. You got a 64 gig flash drive. $64 micro SD card. Mini keyboard with backlit. And all this comes with this. I do have another video if you guys prefer the VC box. I'll have the link in the description where you could get that one. Let's open this up. So we'll move all this aside. Give it some room. Open this all up. Okay. So off the box, we got 1 gig Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6, 4 gigs plus 128 gigs, supports up to 6K. It's an OTA box and H.265. There's nothing else there. So let's open this up, see what's inside it. Put this aside for now. We got our remote control with a mic button. I'll leave the video in the description how to program these 4 buttons right here. This way you can control your TV on and off, volume, soundbar. In my video, I show you how to program it. HDMI, which I won't be using. I'm going to use the 8K one that comes with it. Way better quality. Standard plug. You can order this box for the plug for your country. And manual setup guide. This is what we want to check out. It's metal. If you guys are familiar with the Superbox, this is the Elite Ultra. I believe this is the highest model box they carry. So there's a little power button right there. So on the side, we have the micro SD, which is great. They give you one. USB, they give you one. So you have 2 USBs. There's the restore button. On the back, your DC outlet, an IR connection, AV connection, your HDMI, your Ethernet, and your optical. And we got 2 antennas. So if you're running this on Wi-Fi, it gives you a little bit better range. Nothing on the side, just some vent holes to keep the box nice and cool. Same thing at the bottom. It's an all metal box. This whole box is metal. Not like their other ones. The bottom is even metal. Okay, let's hook it up and test it out. So the box is booting up for the first time. There you go, Superbox Elite. I'm connected to Ethernet. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, just head over to Wi-Fi and pick your Wi-Fi right here. I'm in Ethernet, so I'm just going to go down to next. And over here, looks like I have to go on 100%. Okay, so finished. And this is the interface. So now we got to go to App Store. Then App Store again. The little Android guy. We have to update this or install it. There we go. So App Store. Okay, so all these apps are preloaded already on the box. So you just choose the ones you want and install it. But the ones we're looking for today are, let's go back to the top. These ones right here. We want the blue VOD. Once you get the check mark, it means it's installed. Blue TV, backup, playback. When you see this little symbol right here, that means the app needs an update. So since we're in here, I'm going to click on it just to update it. Okay, so let's go back to the home screen. Over here, live TV, press OK. You could add, if you want to create some shortcuts, you could do that here. To add it, all you have to do is press OK. You can add as many as you want. The VOD. Once again, press OK. Playback. Once again, press OK. Over here, we could add a couple of the other ones. The ones that you like the most, you could put it over here. Once again, press OK. Keep in mind, guys, you could play around with this. Now you have all these down here. You could add more. We could add one more. Okay. Shortcuts, no more spaces. Yeah, I'm not sure why we can't add one down here. So you guys could change this anytime just by hitting the menu button, which is the 3 dashes. And it gets removed right away. If you want to change it to a different one, that's how simple it is. So the other thing we could do is we could just head over to apps. And these are all the apps that are already installed on the box. Some of them are preloaded and some of them we just installed. Okay, so let's exit out of here. Let's program the remote so we could get the microphone section. So if you just press the mic button just one time, it's going to bring you right to the programming mode. So as you guys can see right there, we're going to press the OK button and the return button at the same time for 8 seconds. Or we're going to wait for the light to start flashing. And once it does, we're just going to press the OK button. Let's do this now. There, pressed OK. Now it's searching. You get the pairing sign and then the connection sign. There you go. So now this remote is fully Bluetooth now. So now you could put the box in a cupboard, wherever you like, and you'll be able to control it. Let's see if you can open up the TV app with the mic. Open TV. Okay, since we're in here, let's try this now. History channel. History. There you go. Discovery. Sports. Works great. I love remotes with mic buttons. Makes life so much easier. Let's try the quality. Open YouTube. Instant. Okay, let's find something in 4K. Try it with the mic. 4K. There you go. Okay, let's just make sure we are running on 4K. Nope. We'll switch that right now. And there you guys have it. Hopefully it's picking it up. Incredible picture. No buffering whatsoever. So the box definitely can handle 4K. Oh, it does say it supports up to 6K. But we're good with the 4K. If you guys are looking for this box, I will have a link in the description with a discount code. And remember, it comes with everything you see here. So if you guys have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, give me those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.